a Toyota forklift head. It's a FY5 head. We done some welding on it earlier, and we were just going to do some touch-up welding on it to finish it up and get it going to rebuild. It's something that we do quite a lot of, and I enjoy welding them and everything. So just like I said, got a little touch-up work to do on it, and after that we're pretty much done with it, and we'll send it to rebuild. As always, I don't have my grinder with me when I want it. Leave a clean little corner up like that. We're going to clean up a little corner right there, and one I've already ground out, so it's all good now. Machine's going. Of course, air pressure's going to fire up and run now. I can't hear it playing outside probably, but that's alright. It's just sometimes fun to watch. Getting late today, the old man's getting tired. Well, we got that one up there pretty successfully nailed up. We'll do the job. Pretty damn hot today. Just got to have a bacon oven. Really don't never like welding the gloves on. A little thick for me. Gotta get down this area. See if we can't touch this little area right here. Just get it to where it looks just a little bit better for the customer. Okay, I do believe we gained some ground on it. Looks pretty good, I guess. I just didn't explode it and crack it all in pieces. But it didn't look like it did. We will clean it up a little bit and shine it up. That's basically what we're doing. Alright. That's what we do during the day. We just have fun. We love it. Y'all have a good day.